After about 1,000 miles on our Z51 Corvette, we've noticed that we really have to stay on top of the wheels because they generate a lot of brake dust. Brake dust can accumulate on your wheels and penetrate down to your alloy, causing corrosion and potential damage. So you can do a couple of things. Never drive your car, wash your car after every drive, or try different brake pads. So we partnered with G-Lock to bring you the first set of replacement ceramic brake pads, and we're going to give them a test run. To get the brake pads installed. You can take it to a mechanic, or if you have the tools and ability, you can do it at home. If you're going to do it at home, you're going to need a T40 torque socket to remove the caliper guide pins and a 21mm socket to remove the mount bolts, as well as a torque wrench. GM hasn't released the data on the bolt torques, but they are the same size as a C7, so they're rated at 162 foot-pounds. So the front brake pads, you should remove the caliper. It does have a special socket to remove the bridge bolt, but the bridge bolt is a non-serviceable part, so if you lose it or break it, you will have to buy a whole new caliper from your dealer. So we recommend just removing the whole front caliper. So for the rear, you don't have to remove the caliper. All you need is a punch pin and a hammer. The pad retaining pins are pushed in, so you just have to back them out, and the pads will come out the top. And if your brake pads are worn down, you may need a separator to retract the pistons, but that's it. For a test drive, and we'll show you the difference between the factory set and the G-Lock brake pads. So we've put our brake pads to the test. We've driven 100 miles with both sets of brake pads on, and now we're going to see how much brake dust they've generated. So we're going to go ahead and test the ceramic brake pads. Pretty clean. And now let's go and test the factory side. So now we're going to go ahead and test out the factory side. These brake pads are much dirtier. The ceramic ones are the way to go. Thanks for watching, and make sure you like and subscribe.